guys, I'm in New York right now and I'm so excited. We're getting ready for our basically like first day. Like we got bagels and then we came back and we ate the bagels and then we didn't know what to wear at the exact same time. So it took us literally 2 hours. We figured it out. We're coordinating. I'm wearing like casual. I'm wearing jeans, guys. I'm trying to become a jeans girl. Did like a little like jeans haul for you guys, or like a haul of a bunch of clothes. It's like, I don't know if you guys saw that or if you guys are gonna see that, but I just did some skincare. These 2 products to prep my skin. I did the Rhode Glazing Milk because I'm like obsessed with her, and then also the Nimbuzin Skin Softening. This bathroom, it's so freaking cute. It's kind of like messy right now because like I have stuff here, but look. I recorded it earlier, but like it's just like the gold is what's getting me. It's so cute. Screen is gonna pop off. You guys are crooked, why? So we're getting ready today. I'm so excited. We're going, the plan for today is we're going to go to Yard House, which I know Yard House is like so many different places. Like there's so many places, but like we kind of do this thing where we go to Yard House in like different places. And so we've gone to the one in Arizona, we've gone to the one in Hawaii. Now we're gonna go to the one in New York, and then we're gonna go to the one in Chicago. So we're basically just going to go to all of them. That's like me and Anna's thing because we love Yard House, the Dragon Fruit Cosmo. After we're gonna walk around Times Square, which I'm so excited because I haven't been to Times Square in literally 10 years, like since I was like 16 or something like that. Like in school, like I went with my school and like I remember it, but I don't remember it. It also was so cold, like super, super cold. Like I had to wear a fur coat, all that stuff, yeah. I have my makeup bag, which my makeup bag is actually so cute, you guys, right now. This like cheetah makeup bag, it's so cute, and guess what, you guys? It literally has a mirror. I'll try and like link it down below if you guys are interested. First step is brows, which you guys know that takes me the longest, and so high key I'm gonna go off the camera, do my eyebrows. I'm going to use Benefit pomade. I don't know if I'm gonna go with the Laura Mercier or I'm gonna go with the Lancome. One of these two, I'll tell you after. I'm gonna go do the brows because we need to hurry up on the time, guys. We're like, it's the point where like it's gonna get darker. It's 5 p.m. right now. Okay guys, we're back with the eyebrows on. We're going to be doing eyeshadow now. I brought both of these palettes. These are currently my fixation palettes, the Makeup by Mario. This is the Ethereal Eyes. Unfortunately, this isn't sold right now, but he drops it usually around holiday time. So like around Christmas time, if you want it, get it, girl, because that's when I got mine, because he dropped it like not last year, but the year before. I never got it. Then they didn't have it, and then I got it last Christmas. And then this is the new one, and this is the Neutrals palette, which I'm like obsessed with. So I think low-key this is like giving more like New York like night vibe. I've been like loving it. It has like these really pretty like cool tone type shadows. If you have not gotten this palette, girl, sign up. Also, I got this little like travel carrying makeup brush pouch, and is that not actually so convenient? Like it makes my life easier because I used to just like shove them in like a makeup bag and then I wouldn't be able to see them, but now they're standing all straight up and you can just like look. Like that's actually so amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna start with what I usually do and mix that color and that one. But guys, I'm so excited. We literally got here last night. We got here super, super late. Like deadass like didn't even check into the hotel until I think like, what was it, like 10:30, 11 or something like that. And so we didn't do anything last night because honestly I was ill. I had the longest travel day ever. Let's talk about my travel day. So I had a layover. So I'm non-stop girly through and through, right? I will literally pay extra just to have a non-stop because like it gives me less anxiety, you know? We're gonna go with that one and this one. I had to stop. Okay, so we took the flight or whatever and it was good. Like that flight was kind of like low-key sort of like empty, so there was a person. There wasn't like a person that was sitting by me, thank God, because recently all my flights have been like jam-packed, like full. And so the fact that like one of my flights was like nah, okay, so amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with these 2 dark browns. Okay, but basically yeah, so we stopped there. And then we had a layover for like 2.5 hours or whatever, so I stopped myself at this little bar and ate some chicken tenders. And then I was so bored that I actually had myself vodka Cranberry because I was like, what else? Like I wanted to hit my pen so bad and like I didn't have it. Then I get on my New York flight, right? I have the entire row to myself. I'm not even kidding you, with the entire row to myself, which I think you guys saw like in the vlog clip because I think I recorded that. Entire row, like what are the odds? I really should have like took a nap and like slept, but like I just talked to my friend the entire time. I'm like really good at like writing replies to my friends to send to guys. That has been my job for the last like week, is making replies for my friend. I'm like securing her future husband. I'm not even kidding you. Like we're gonna play this clip at the wedding. Hey Rolex man. That's what we call him, my friend. So we've been writing the replies, okay? It's a team effort, okay? Because you get an idea and then you're like, how can I make this better? I'm like, girl, I got you. Or I'll give her something. And then I'm like, okay, wait, tweak this. You know, we're in New York. I had the entire thing. So I was talking to my friend the entire time. I should have totally slept. I'm not even kidding you. But we just came in last night. We checked into the hotel, which I showed you guys the hotel. It's literally so freaking pretty. And then we like put on Sex in the City because duh, we're in New York. And then I ordered a double cheeseburger. They put fucking onions on it. I wanted to kill myself. You guys know, like onions, are you seriously effing joking me? And so literally there was fucking onions on it, so that's disgusting. But thank God I got a double, so I just took off the top patty, and then my friend ate the top patty because she likes onion. I did that, and then we fell asleep, and then we woke up today and we went and got bagels, but I slept in, like, because I didn't go to bed last night until like 6 a.m. So I didn't wake up until 11:30, and then we walked and we got bagels, and then we ate our bagels, and we basically sat in bed for a very, very long time, like 2 hours. And then it took us literally 2 hours, I'm not even kidding you, to decide what the F we wanted to wear. Multiple outfits were tried on. I found one outfit that I didn't even like plan to put together or coordinate, and then like it looks so good. So that might be tomorrow's outfit, which is like this really, really cute like white like two-piece. I'll like insert the photo that I took or whatever because it's actually so effing cute. Okay, but I think what we're gonna do is like, this is a matte palette, but I really want to use the glitter, so I think I'm gonna use that eyeshadow on the eye, and then we're gonna use the other palette for the glitters. That's why you guys like low-key need this palette, I'm not even kidding you. So whenever it comes out, get it. These palettes are so good. All the Makeup by Mario palettes, like you literally would not be disappointed if you're looking on the market to get a palette. So amazing. And I bought these literally with my own money. So like that's like me like telling you with my own money, like girl, I paid the $50 for these hoes too, okay? You know what's actually crazy is I literally got a PR package the other day. It was like addressed from a person named John. And so I'm like, John, dude, I don't know fucking John. I'm like, my best friend's dad's name is John, but like that's about it, you know? It said John, and then it came to a name. It said Madison, and then it said my middle name, which is like not a name that like I don't know, I like give to companies or whatever. Okay, so this is the palette. We're gonna go in with those glitter shades, and I'm just going to put it on my finger and then just put it. It's just so freaking cute. I don't know if you guys can actually see that. You can't really see that because of the lighting. I open it, it's like it doesn't say anything, because usually like PR packages or just like branded packaging usually comes with the brand's name on the box or something, right? I opened it, literally floored. Like I literally recorded it for my Snapchat. I was literally floored. I was like, this freaking palette that I actually bought, I was like, I knew I should have just waited. I knew I should have just waited, but I never got ever in my entire life Makeup by Mario package. Like what? Because like I'm a fan. Like I bought in so much like with my own money. If you guys watch my TikTok haul, I did a TikTok haul and I literally spent $300 on Makeup by Mario. That was all my own money, and then 2 weeks later I get that package. This YSL mascara is actually my favorite mascara right now. It's actually so freaking good. I'm not even kidding you. I've like put so many of my friends onto it, actually like 2 of my friends onto it. It's so freaking incredible. Oh my god, I get scared to curl my lashes low-key because I had a friend that ripped her lashes off. What the mascara looks like, it's giving luxe, it's giving bouge. Did I give one of these away in my giveaway? I actually can't remember that like giveaway that I did. If I didn't, then I want to do another giveaway soon, so then I can literally like give one of these away because it actually is so freaking good. It like makes me like actually feel like I have lashes, because I have like really, what I need to do is I need to get a lash tint and lift because I have very downturned lashes, so they usually don't like to like stay straight. But see, it gives me a lash, guys. And I'm not usually like a high expensive luxe mascara person, but like recently I have been, and I'm like, am I on something? Like, have all the people been right? Because a lot of people are like, I will not use drugstore mascara, but I used to be like, oh, all mascara is the same. But I guess it's not, I don't know. This is the one size, what is it? Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer, but I kind of want to use my other one first. I'm actually a liar, and I really, really think I want to use this next one. It's the NYX Plump Right Back, because it's a serum and it's a primer. So I'm actually a liar. We're going to use this one. I haven't used this in a while. I actually haven't used this with the current foundation that I'm using. Have I? Oh wait, I have, I think. It literally has battery. Low battery. What the fuck? Okay guys, we're back in better than ever because guess what? I bought an extra battery. Holla! Maybelline Matte and Poreless, okay? But I've been really, really loving the Luminous Silk by Giorgio Armani, but I need to get like a darker shade or something like that. Because like, you see how this one's lighter? So when the tan lightens more, then we'll use this one, but... And then I also think I'm gonna do a little bit of Halo Glow. So let's do that first. I just do a little bit though, because I've noticed if one time I put like a lot, because I see a lot of girls putting a lot. That was horrible. It scared my well-being only because it started to like kick off my makeup. It was like the weirdest experience ever, but I see girls like lather their face in it and they still put foundation on, so I was like, oh, maybe I could. Yeah, no. Makeup every single time is a really serious experience for me because I'm like, is it gonna work today or not? Because like sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, you know? I'm trying to move quickish, but we kind of are. I want to be out of here by 6:30 and I want to curl my hair because like this is like my like hair like when I like blow dry it, but then like I slept, so it's giving like natural curl, you know? Maybelline Matte and Poreless. Like if it ain't broke, don't fix it, okay? Like for real. Actually, I like to fix a lot of non-broken things, but I really, really want that Giorgio Armani. Like that one is so freaking nice, but it's just not really like my shade at the moment. It's just like a little bit lighter. It's also low-key expensive. I think it's like fucking like 60 $9 or something like that. I'm hoping that my face does good today and doesn't tweak out. Every single time that I'm in like a new spot, my face usually like is not used to like the weather or whatever. And so when I go to do makeup, it'll like flake or do something really awful and bad. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited for the vlogs, guys, because like I came here a long time ago when I was in high school with my school. And so I basically did like their itinerary. I did what they wanted to do. I didn't get to do like what I wanted to do. Also, I didn't really have like a lot of like, I didn't get like Instagram photos and cute photos like that and shit, you know? For bronzer, obviously this one, guys. Like for me to hit pan on a makeup product is insane because I have so much makeup. Seriously, if you can only get like one Makeup by Mario product, this is the Skin Enhancer. I have light medium. It's so freaking good. It is my favorite thing ever since I bought it, which was, I don't even know when I bought this. Definitely had it for over a year, maybe like 2 years, I don't know. No, definitely like over like a year, I don't know. I love it. I love her, and like she melts and blends into the skin. So if you ever want to do like cream contour, like, you know, but you're scared of it, I feel like this one's a really good option, only because it kind of like just like melts into your skin. I love her. It's just one of those things that I want to keep applying and keep applying and keep applying and keep applying. Okay, this is dirty. Every time I travel with a makeup bag, my makeup gets dirty, like how I didn't even do anything. This is the Made by Mitchell blush in the shade Sweet Cheeks. I'm fully addicted to this blush. I cannot stop using this. This in combination with the Dior, like, just wait, she's really cute. And she also like nicely blends into the skin. I love this shade. Hold on, let me try the brightness. I think it's too bright. Is that like better? No, I don't even think that like did anything. Guys, I feel like it's like too late. Can you even see the color on me? It's too like bright, but I don't know. Like sometimes when I like upload a clip, it's not as bright as like I'm tweaking it out to be, but like in camera it looks bright. So my two favorite concealers have been these two recently. I don't know which one I want to go in with. I did the Laura Mercier for underneath the eyes, so maybe we're going with this one. This is the Lancome Ton Idole Ultra Wear Concealer. This is a concealer that I have been wanting to try, guys, for years. I guess I get the girlies. Sorry guys, we're watching House Bunny in the background, and so there's some scenes that are super loud and there's some scenes that are quiet, but it just blends so nicely. It almost feels like watery on the skin, and recently I've been like really into concealers that kind of feel light and watery. I don't want to feel it on my skin. Go underneath and create a little line. We want to be snatched. We want to look like this. I'm actually breaking out so much, I hate it. I look ugly. I low-key want to be chiseled more. And this is the Makeup by Mario contour stick in light medium. I kind of want to add some of this. No, I already did the concealer to carve. I'm stupid. Why did I do this? Whatever. I just kind of gave it a little bit more like... Hey guys, we didn't have a powder puff, but thank God. Oh, thank you. You hear that? I'm worth a fresh one. I literally thought she was gonna give me like a dirty powder puff, but I was totally okay with it. Okay, so this is the Maybelline, what the hell? Laura Mercier Ultra Blur, guys. I've been so obsessed with this, but actually they just came out with a new powder. I haven't tried it out yet, so we'll try it out like the next video. You guys know Laura Mercier powder has always been my go-to, but this one's the blur version, guys. So like, she's different, she's bouge, she's elegant, you know? I low-key have been using this Rare Beauty stuff whenever, if I feel like my, oh my god, I just sniffed that in and that was so horrible. Oh, what kind of drugs did they put in that? But I do that whenever I feel like my face is like low-key dry and like she needs some hydration, because it makes it look like skin again. So excited to go to Times Square because I haven't been since obviously I was like with my school and all that stuff. So like I just didn't really get to do like what I guess I wanted to do. Don't get me wrong, I had like such a fun trip. Like when I went to that trip, like I didn't know anything about New York, so it was kind of nice having like a tour guide and having like an itinerary, but also at the same time like we were getting up at like 7 a.m. every day. Like I don't want to do that. Now we need to go in with all the creams. So we got the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, which literally I'm never like, am I ever gonna run out of this, guys? No. We could like all collectively share this and like I don't think we would still run out. Like if you have like roommates, you guys can buy like one bronzer and I'll share it. This right here, you guys know the Dior, what is it called? Rosy Glow Blush. I love this. This combo with the cream blush has been my actual addiction. These two right here, yeah, actual addiction. It just like helps blend it in, and then I also just love how like soft this looks like on the skin. Oh, it's so beautiful. Like remember when this was really popular? I remember this was really popular and I was obsessed with it for like 2 weeks, and then I stopped using it. And then like the other day, not the other day, like this was months ago. Months ago I was like, I spent a lot of money on that blush, like I need to use that blush, you know what I mean? Okay, highlighter. We're doing my very broken Rare Beauty because I don't want to break any other one. But I also did bring this one. This is the Revlon Skin Lights Prism Hat like highlighter. She actually slays, guys. Like, not even gonna lie. So low-key, maybe we'll use her. This is in the shade 201 if you guys are wondering. But it's just like, it's more gold than like I'm used to. I'm more used to like a whitier one, but like look at that. It's like nice and natural. And you guys know we gotta do the nose, because if I don't have the nose, then check me into a mental hospital, because that means I'm going through some things. If I forgot my nose highlight. You see her, yeah, you get a skin light. Skin lights, yeah, she really giving skin light, you know. I thought there was a mirror. I'm crying. Not me going, yeah, there's not a mirror. And obviously in the inner corner, we look like we got some sleep. We're awake for these hoes. Like you see, it's just so pretty as like an inner corner. Guys, why does it feel wet right here? We gotta powder some more because I can't do the wetness feeling. Okay, we're done. That freaked me out. Okay, I'm gonna go put on lashes and then we're gonna come back for the lip combo. We gotta do this hair, girl, because this side is giving curl and this side is not. So we gotta curl it and then we're gonna put on the outfit, which is actually really cute. I'm so excited, I cannot wait. And look, guys, I did AHHH New York nails. Did I show you guys that? Holla. AHHH New York. Okay, BRB. Okay guys, I forgot to update you, but the lashes are on. We're curling the hair right now. We're jamming to some Kesha in the background. So I think I'm just gonna put music over this. I think this is a Bellamy hair wand, if you're wondering.
I need a close-up photo that's like appropriate.
Like very Facebook friendly?
Yeah. For like, cause like just for like a close-up.
Do you want a headshot or you want a love shot?